Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for watching Digging Deep, and today we're back into the trees again. We're going to show up to this property and remove 2 white pines. I'm a little disappointed. They had a white oak. I think it was a white oak that they wanted removed, and the tops of the stems are so dead. There's no real good healthy spars to rig off of. Maybe I'll get a clip or 2 of this oak for you guys to maybe judge and tell me how some of you professionals would have took this or dissect this oak or took it down. But it was just too sketchy for me, and having a new ground guy like to jump into this. So we did end up hitting the 2 white pines at this property. They want those gone, so we gave them a price and they said let's go. So I was like, all right, good deal. So we're showing up here today to get rid of these 2 white pines. They're sitting right on a property line. One's up against a fence, so we don't want to mess the fence up, so we'll be rigging some of the side. I thought about a speed line, but they are not that high, so I think by the time you do all the work to get the speed line in for maybe like a half a dozen branches on each tree or so, maybe more, who knows, that it would just be kind of a lost cause. We're going to evaluate it when we show up here, but thanks for watching Digging Deep, guys. Let's get into taking these 2 white pines out here today, guys.
All right, guys, here's a look at the first white pine, which is smaller, and there is the second one, which is definitely got some more meat up top, but not too bad. A little knuckle up here in the tree right there, but other than that, not too bad. Up and away we go. Beautiful start to the morning today, so it is. So, I'm just cleaning up the face cut. I'll let you know. Sweet. Nice job. I'll kick her out of the way here in a second. All right, if you got that, I got this. There we go. Teamwork. How about that? All right, I'm just gonna cut this nib off, so you should be all right. Just we can get too close to the stem and should be good. Try to let it run a little bit. Don't muscle it too much, just to see if it'll go away from these stumps. Beautiful. Good job, man. Good job. I'm just cutting this stump out. Not doing too bad for a first time groundie. Kicking butt here, guys. Rolling right along here. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, coming around. Coming around. Getting better. I like that. Sweet, Steve. That was pretty good. If you have to, you can kind of use your foot and kick that out of the way a little bit.
It's coming back over.
Good. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I still favor that side more. There we go. For his first time. All right, go for it. Beautiful. That worked out pretty good. beautiful, Steve. A doggone pro at this stuff, man. I was worried about, I was like, if he's got too much tension, that's coming back to whack my fingers. And it ran perfect, dude. I'm gonna fold this one. I'm just going to take a little bit more weight off of it yet, so I'm going to let a couple rip here. We're ready for the grand finale. Ready? Yes, sir. Good job, cuz. Good job. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Man, you barely even had this moving. That was great. Uh-oh. Kill switch. He's doing a hell of a job, guys. He is. Well, bummer. Can you send me yours up? I will gear up to send this one down. Headache. Okay. Says I am.